The problem name is non-decreasing subsequences. The question is, given an integer array nums, return all the different possible non-decreasing subsequences of the given array with at least two elements. You may return the answer in any order. So you have given an array. We have to return the subsequences of this array. Subsequence means you can take any element, you can skip any element, like 4 7 4 6 4 7 7 4 6 7, anything. So we have to take subsequences, return subsequences which are non decreasing. Am I right? Yeah, it's non decreasing means they should be in increasing order, increasing, or they can equal also. So we have to return them, and the answer can be in any order. And one, like here, 277. So one pair can be 4 6 7. From this 7 we can make one pair 4 6 7, and from this 7 we can make 4 6 7. So but we can't take both the subsequence, like 4 6 7 twice we can't take. So we have to return the non decreasing subsequences which we can make from this array. So what's the idea? This is a backtracking problem, a DP problem. So how we can do? We have two choices. We can take some element or we can't take. We can take or we can't take. Okay. So let's say we are starting from 4. We are starting from 4. We can we are taking 4. Okay. We are taking 4. Now we are at 6. Now we are at 6. So now from 4 we can also take 6. Let's say we have taken. We can one thing more. How one thing more, we can take or not this thing. If array size is 0, then we can take any element. Like here our answer size is 0. Here from here to here our answer size is 0. So we can take 4 6 7 7, any number. But now in our answer array 4 is there, so we can take only the elements which are greater or equal than 4. So first we will check 6. If 6 is greater or equal than 4, then we will say okay, take it. So here 6 is greater, so we are saying okay, take it. Now if we will not take, so 4 only. Now we are at 7. We are at 7. So we say okay, 7 is greater than 6. Yes. So we say yes, okay, take 7. So 4 6 7. Now I'll say okay, don't take 7. Use 4 and 6 only. Okay. Now I will say okay, 7 is greater than 4. Take it. 4 and 7. Other one, I will say don't take 4 only. Now I will say I am at 7. 7 is greater or equal than 7. Okay, take it. It's 4 6 7 and 7. Or if I'll not take, this is 4 6 7. For this also, if I'll take, it will make 4 6 7. So I have already included. If I will take, then if I will not take, then it will make 4 and 6. And this will make 4. If I will take, I can't take. Why? Okay, I can take 4 7 7. 7 is equal to 7. Okay, I can take 4 7 7. Or if I don't want to take, I'll say 4 and 7. And for this 4, I will say 4 and 7. If I will take, if I will not take, it is 4 only. So this I can't include in our answer. Why? Because it is a single element. They have said there should be at least two numbers. So I can't take. I can take this, 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 and this. Similarly, this I have started this. These all answers are starting from 4. Similarly, I can start. Then I will jump to 6. I will say take all the subsequences which are starting from 6. Then I will jump to 7. Take all the subsequences which are starting from 7. So this is our approach. What I am doing, I am just doing okay. If I am at index 4, I am saying two condition. You can take or you can't take. You can take or you are not taking. You are taking or you are just jumping to other. You are taking or you are jumping to other. Okay, so its solution is very easy. What you can do, just a minute. This is our question. This is our function. So I am taking a vector int, this temporary vector. So just like I'm storing this as temporary answer, this as temporary answer, and at last, if it is satisfying my condition, these arrays are satisfying my condition, I will say push back into our actual answer. So this is our actual. I'm just storing the answer in set, because that I have already said, these pair are just like, if I'll this in this I will, if I'll take 7, then it will make 4 6 7. So some pairs are just repeating. So for uh, for a unique answer, I'm just taking set, because set's property, the one answer will one answer will only, it will consider one answer will once. So I'm just uh, making a function in which I am sending a index. I'm starting from 0 index, the nums array which I have given, the temporary array, and our answer. So what I'm doing in this function, I'm just saying, okay, so n is just nums size. So if what's what I if my index is, if my index, I am at here, I am here, if my index is equal or greater than size, because here index is 3, if my index is equal or greater than size, if my index is 4 or greater than 4, then what I will do, what I will return, what I have to do, I will just say, okay, if these arrays I have made, these arrays are satisfying my property, keep them in our answer. If they are not, if they are not making our if they are not satisfying our property, just return. So that only I'm doing. If index is greater equal than n, then I'm checking if our temporary array or a size is greater equal than 2, then put it in our answer. If it is not, then return. Simply return. So first, take property. What I can do, how, why, how, when I will say, you just take this number. If if array is empty, then we can take any number. Okay. Or array is not empty, then I will check on which index I am at that time, at particular time I am on which index, I am at any index, that index number is, if it is greater or equal than temporary arrays back, means if I am at 7, then I have to check if this number is greater or equal than temporary. If temporary array is this, temporary temp dot back means this number, this last number. If our if I am that if I am at 7, then if 7 is greater or equal than this back, this last number, then put it in our temporary array, or don't put. So that I am checking. If it is, then push it and call the function with greater index. And if it is and when I am returning, I'll say pop it. When I am returning, I'll say pop it. Just like I am returning, I have to go to next index. No, I have take all answers which are starting from 4, but I have to take answers starting from 6. No, so I am saying, when you are returning, pop it back. When you are returning, pop it back. When you are returning, pop it back, and go to next index. Go to next index. So that only I'm doing. We just push it, call the function by with greater index with next index, and when you are returning, pop it. So this is condition for take. if if these both conditions are not, this both conditions are not matching, means if the element is less than, if here 5, if element is less than back, then I am saying just simply go to next index, simply go to next index. So at last, I'm just returning our answer in a vector form, because they have said to return a vector of int. So that only I'm doing. You can submit the code. It has submitted successfully. Thank you.